We teach safety to all of the incoming kindergartners that sign up. It's a free program, so we teach them about fire safety, bus safety, stranger danger, any of the school drills they might see. We teach them how to walk on the sidewalk, cross streets, and bicycle safety. It is kind of a first experience for a lot of them to be in a classroom setting. So we come for 2 hours a day, they sit with us, and they learn how to raise their hand and get that experience of being around other kids, as well as learning the topics of bus safety, crosswalk safety, because they're gonna have to do those things when they go to school. Oh, make sure you're not crashing. Use your brakes.
It's totally worth it. The kids have fun. It's low stress. Officer Gabe was great with them. Definitely worth your time.
I think it's very important that they learn at an early age of like the safety of just crossing sidewalks, the car safety, looking out and being aware of strangers potentially.
He had fun with the kids and Officer Gabe, and he definitely loved the cars the best.
And they get to go home and they tell mom and dad all the time how to stop at stop signs, and they come in and say, my mom ran a red light or did this. So it's really fun for me to interact with the kids and their parents that way.